Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Central. In front of me here is a lovely red lady, F1. Here's a set. I'll be travelling on C3426 today. Before it departs, I might give you guys a tour of a lovely red set F1. Remember I did a piece on it last year, and the picture quality is poor. So I'll give you a tour of it, starting off with an old-fashioned driver's cab. I'll see 3426. Good afternoon. The old brake wheel over there. I just ran on for. See, here's the driver's control. These are driver's controls. You can see here, absolutely stunning. So I'm going to move on to the passenger side of things. C3426 is a set. That's the old Sydney Rail System map from the 1980s. I'm going to take a quick snapshot of it here, like that. Continue on with a tour. This is the walkthrough of C3426. As you may know, C3426 is one of the carriages that formed the first official electric train to cross the Sydney Harbour Bridge in 1932. Isn't she an old girl? Take you through to T4527. I'll use the gangway here. This is C3218, as you may recall last year that I toured this carriage number. Give you a walk through of a passenger carriage here. This has the old windows here. That pops up just like that. I'll be waiting on this train in less than an hour. I'll take a look at the other side. Here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in carriage C7396. I won't turn my camera back this way. There's a few people waiting for East Hills trip. So I'll give you the exterior on the outside. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.